And the lead is taken by Tiger Wood. Mr. Integrity moving up on the outside. It's now Mr. Integrity in the lead. Henry VIII by the rail. Dumatagundong in between horses. Tiger Wood, Speed Almighty. And moving up on the inside is He's the Man. And heading for the back stretch. The lead is taken over now by Dumatagundong. Mr. Integrity on the outside. Henry VIII by the rail in third. Running in fourth. Tiger Wood by 5 lengths. And He's the Man moving up on the outside. Speed Almighty is bringing up the rear. The mid-back stretch, Mr. Integrity on the outside. Dumatagundong by the rail. And Henry VIII remains in third, closing in fourth. Entry number 1. And nearing the pattern, Dumatagundong, Mr. Integrity, and Henry VIII, He's the Man. Tiger Wood moving up on the outside. And Speed Almighty. And the pattern is Mr. Integrity in the lead by the rail. Is Dumatagundong. And moving up on the outside is Tiger Wood. Mr. Integrity by the rail. Tiger Wood on the outside. Dumatagundong. Henry VIII, He's the Man, and Speed Almighty. The last bend for home. It's still Mr. Integrity by the rail. And Tiger Wood on the outside. Dumatagundong. Henry VIII, Speed Almighty on the outside. And He's the Man moving up on the inside. Tiger Wood on the outside. Mr. Integrity. Tiger Wood, Mr. Integrity. Mr. Integrity by the rail. Tiger Wood, Dumatagundong on the farther outside. And Henry VIII. And nearing the payoff line, it's Tiger Wood. Finally, Tiger Wood, Mr. Integrity, Henry VIII, Dumatagundong.